Hi guys, Cristina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Hope you guys are okay. Today we're going to make a Romanian dish, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's called meatball soup, and as you can see, I put some water here. The water's boiling. We're going to add these lovely vegetables in the water for about half an hour. These lovely vegetables are one red pepper. That goes in, yeah, slowly. Where's the pepper? Next dish, one very big sweet potato, which I found in Lidl yesterday. Oh, look at that. I chopped them all up before with my little chopper because they need to be really tiny. I recommend you use a chopper unless you're very good with a knife, which I'm not. Okay, 2 carrots, medium sized. Again, going in here. I've added a bit of salt to the water before this. 1 onion, add it in the water as well. And at the end, because I like it, I'm going to add 2 parsnips just for this, for the taste. Yeah. So these are the vegetables of the soup. They all go in here. You're going to have to boil them for about half an hour, I say. Obviously check it in the meantime, but about half an hour should do. And in half an hour we're going to make some meatballs with some mince, beef mince. So I will see you guys in a bit once the vegetables are boiled. See you soon. Hello. So what we're going to do now, it's been half an hour since the vegetables have been boiling. So what we're going to do, I'm going to make a tomato sauce. And because I want the beef soup to be sour, I'll show you guys. In the tomato sauce I added lemon salt. Yeah. We Romanians, we add this, or we add borscht, it's called, which is another sour taste drink. So then you taste it and see if you need to add some more. Of course, at this stage we will start on making the meatballs like I told you guys earlier. So for the meatballs, yeah, aside, we need, I'm only using 250 grams of beef, yeah, an egg, salt, pepper, added a bit of Cajun seasoning and parsley, which all goes in. Yep, you're gonna have to mix this up by hand. Right, they need to be proper mixed. Oh, that smells yum. I miss the soup, you know. And besides, I make my mum proud when I make a soup because she thinks you should eat soup more often. This is healthy for you. There we go. That's the meatballs done. Yep. So with these meatballs, obviously we do little bowls. I'll show you guys a few. When I do little bowls, we need cold water in a bowl so you can put your hands in it. I'm gonna do small ones, yeah. Roll them up, little tiny balls. They go in the water. Don't stir the water because otherwise they will collapse. So they will be done when they rise up. You're gonna see them on the surface. That means they're done. Don't stir in the meantime at all. So that's it with the meatballs. And finish them up and I'll come back to you guys when they're done. See you soon. Hello guys. So it's all boiled now, it's all done. I stopped the fire underneath it. So at the end, because you know I love parsley and I always say always add parsley to the food. We're gonna add a bit of parsley and a bit of oregano as well, just because it's gonna bring out the taste a bit. So that's at the end. Mix it all in. As I said, it's done. The meatballs are boiled. They look lovely, as you can see here. Yeah. And that was it for today. Smells delish. That was it for today. It was the Romanian meatball soup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as I always say, go break an egg. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.